In this video, I'm going to continue the prototyping of our music app, which is based on the Apple Music app, and we're going to focus on the library tab in this video. So let's have a look at what was in it. There's at the top of this library tab, there's a list of sections, and each one of those list items will take you through to another view. And below that, there's a grid of, or a collection of albums that you've recently added or songs that you've recently added. I think let's focus on adding these top level list items first. Okay, so to get started, let's have a look at the library tab that we have. Let's see what's in here. So right now there's a rectangle in here. I'm going to delete that for now, and I'm going to drop in a navigation page. So if I look in here, I've got apple.navigation page. So if I drop that in, that actually contains the navigation stuff that we need. So it has a title at the top and it has a scroll view within it. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a column. So a column is, a way of stacking things vertically. Okay, and into that column we're going to add list items. Okay, so I'm going to drag in a list cell into here. I'm going to set the text color to be primary, and let's have a look. The other thing I want to do is change the size to large and add a disclosure accessory. So that's this little arrow on the right. I think that is all for now. Let's give it a title, which is playlists, and I'll duplicate those and create the rest of them. So okay, so there we go. We've got those list items created, and I'll just give the title the name library, and I think that'll do for now.